Very good evening. So let's start the session. So let me share the screen first. Hi guys. So before taking it any further, just wanted to give you a quick introduction about myself. So my name is Arjun Srikanth, and I'm holding around like 16 plus years of experience into the field of IT and expertised with um, like as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. Now, currently, I'm dealing with the projects which is related to generative AI and agentic AI. Okay. Now, we are going to go with in a systematically in a simple way, step-by-step manner. Okay. Now, again, like some of you may be facing some problem in, like I came across, like, they will be having a lot of queries, which before joining the classes. Yeah, it's everyone's a common requirement that they want to clarify the doubts based on their career or based on their job opportunities, and so many things will be there. So if you are having any queries of that type, so you can directly call me on my number 32. Now, this is an Indian number. If you are calling from somewhere outside, you can put on 91. Okay, like this. And this is my number. You can call me, no problem at all. And I want to let you know one thing. If I'm not in a position to take the class, take the call directly, you can drop a message to me like you are so and so person with your name, so that I will call you back whenever I'm available. Before calling, I will send a message if you are available, and that's my primary responsibility to clear all your doubts before you are comfortably joining. I don't mind you people calling me, taking the number and you calling me. I don't mind it. But only thing is that if I'm not able to take the call, or I will cut the call. So please don't call it repeatedly. Instead of just send me a WhatsApp message requesting for me to call back, I will definitely do that. I'm very happy to do that. Okay. Now, first, this is about me, quickly about me. And about my training experience, guys, like I'm having like 8+ years of training experience. Over this time, I must have trained around 6,000, 7,000 people of different grades and says different levels. Like I already trained the people of project manager level, and also the entry level people, and different time zones, also different origins also. So I'm pretty much comfortable with this. This is a quick information about myself. So I am, and as I'm saying, I'm dealing with my own projects, and simultaneously I will be taking this training sessions morning and evening. Okay. Now, before going any further, okay, I want to let you know, because like what are the concepts will be covered inside this. See, we will start with very much basic. Okay. Now, you can take it as, again, our way of going will be like very much fundamentals I'm going to start with. and we are going to move forward. Now, whatever is required for us to move forward in the artificial intelligence, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI, all these ingredients I'm going to provide you at the starting itself. And as we move forward, you will be very much comfortably, you will accommodate yourself. Again, I'm saying, if you are coming from like you are not touched the programming earlier, or you are very new to the programming also, you will be very comfortably, you can accommodate yourself. And coming down to the the coding part, you must have heard about people saying that it is very difficult and it is not your cup of tea, or it is only for the experience. These all are rumors. Okay, the coding is very easy. Very easy, guys. Specific steps will be there. You follow the steps, you will be doing the coding. That's it. Okay, and that I can make sure of, you are becoming perfect with the coding while we are moving into the things. And even though some of the concepts officially we may not consider as per the papers, but I'm going to give you the required stuff, because I have to take it forward into the next level. That's the reason why I will give you those concepts. So first thing, okay, now before getting into deeper into the what are the course curriculum will be, first I want to clarify few doubts. Major doubt will be, usually the people will see that they want to go through the videos and all those things, says online videos or something, and they will be completely confused. What is the starting point? What is the ending point? Where I have to start? Where I have to go? What is this? What is that? They will be. Now I will give you a broad view. See, there is a concept called as, first you will be seeing this as data science. Okay. Now again, this course is about generative AI and agentic AI. Okay. So first, I'm giving an overview. That's it. Where we are starting and where we are heading. Now, don't get confused. So there is something called as data science. Okay. Now, guys, please mute. I really appreciate if you can do that. Thank you. Now, data science is a blend of technologies. Now, what are the things are involved in this? That is artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. Okay. Agentic AI. This is the entire the concepts which are involved under the umbrella of data science. Now, again, see, all these things are, all these concepts what we are talking about is data oriented, means it requires data. Without data, we can't do anything with these concepts. Okay, without data, it's like nothing. Okay, data oriented as of now. What I mean by as of now means presently, whatever we are learning over here, this is data oriented. All these things are data oriented. Maybe in next 5 years or so, now that data may not require. Now I will explain you why I'm saying that one. I will explain you. Now here, this is, I can say it as data oriented. Okay. So completely data driven over here. Without data, we can't do anything over here. Clear? Now this is. So data science is a combination of all these things, and all these things require data. Without data, we can't do anything. Please try to get this point. Okay. Now, see, if you talk about what is this all, you may ask you. So I will explain them detailedly. But as of now, to get you the idea, This is artificial intelligence. Now, what is the artificial intelligence means? You are going to create intelligent machines. Okay, the machines will be intelligent like humans. That is what is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, now this artificial intelligence is a concept. Okay, it is completely purely a concept. Okay, now the implementation of this is done in the 3 ways, or you can say it as 4 ways. Now, first one is machine learning. First one is machine learning. So, artificial intelligence is purely a concept. Okay, it's a concept of developing or building up the intelligent machines which can behave like humans, or which can simulate the human intelligence, which can show the human intelligence. That is a concept. But this is implemented with machine learning over here. And there is a concept called as deep learning. Okay. Like this, deep learning. And there is generative AI. We have something called as generative AI. And there is something called as agentic AI. Okay. AI. Okay. This is what it is. Now, the basic understanding I'm trying to give it. So, when you are talking about artificial intelligence is nothing but, if anyone asks what is artificial intelligence is nothing but it is a process of or guidelines of developing the intelligent machines which can behave like humans. Literally, they will behave like humans. Okay, now the best example is driverless cars. Now, in India, the driverless cars are not still so effective, but in some countries, the Western side, they are very effective. They are driving the car. The cars are driven automatically with the robots, and it will take care of the things. Okay, now what is that they are doing? They are replacing the human driver over there. That is what I'm saying it. Artificial intelligence is nothing but preparing or developing the intelligent machines, okay, which can mimic or which can behave like humans. Driverless cars is an example, best example. The driving is specially designed for the humans. Humans were over the decades and centuries together that we have been driving it cars pretty much. Now, while it is being replaced by the machines, because we have given the same intelligence what is required for a driver, same intelligence we passed on. This is a AI, artificial intelligence. Now, this AI usually is implemented in these 4 ways. Okay, now you should get an idea. Now, this is the first one, machine learning. Second one is deep learning. Next one is generative AI. And next it is agentic AI. Now, these are very much trending and very easy compared to that of these. Compared to that of these, this is very, very easy. Yeah, it's very easy, guys. Only thing is that you have to follow steps. That's it. And you will follow the steps and you will get the output. That's for sure. That's why I'm so confidently saying, I don't know you personally, nothing, but I'm saying it confidently that I can make you perfect. If you concentrate a bit, that's it. Okay, it's not like very complicated coding over here. It is very, very easy. Okay, now this is about. Now, the second thing you may ask is, now you must have got the idea what is this. So what is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What is deep learning? And what is the generative AI? Now you know it very well. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain these things: machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, agentic AI. I'm going to explain you detailedly in a process. Okay. Now, first thing is you will get a thought that whether I am eligible for this or not. Everyone has that. Now, you are coming from a different programming background or different job background or different education background. You may get a doubt that whether I am eligible for this stuff or not, whether I can do my, um, you know, generative AI or not, or artificial intelligence or not. See, guys, one thing is sure. One thing is 100% sure. That is, this is a revolution, what is happening. It's literally a revolution. We can't avoid it. Now, it's kind of like, revolution in a sense like, invention of like electricity. Okay, now that is what a revolution, which changed the entire life of the human life. Complete course of the human life got changed. Before it was sunlight to sunset. Now after electricity, it was 24 hours. The same way, now this generative AI is a revolution. It no doubt it is going to dominate the market. Whatever field you are, wherever you are, if you are in the different different softwares you are using, still the AI will presence. You can feel it now itself. You must have started feeling the heat of AI. In next 5 years or so, everywhere you can see the AI. That's for sure. Okay, that's for 100% sure. And now again, very, very fast development is happening inside this. Okay, and everyone is well eligible for a job in the world of AI. Most of, like, everyone is welcome, because if you look at in the previous cases, they were asking that we want an IT degree or you should be from a programming background. No, in where if you want to fetch a job in AI, no, these are like least as of now, at least as of now, these are the minimum requirements they may ask. All they wanted is a skilled professional. That's for sure. If you are coming from a different background also, because data plays a very important role. Now, whichever field you are, if you are having the knowledge about the data, then you are the best fit over here. And start believing in yourself. Don't go with someone else is saying that, someone else is saying this. No. Believe in yourself and see that. I've seen the people from BA, BCom who never touch the programming and they are well settled in the AI field. Now, I'm not degrading them, but I'm giving a clear picture. BA, BCom who never touched the programming before, and they are able to make their career in AI. So there is a scope for everyone. It's not that you should be having an experience in some field, then only you are eligible. No, it's not like that. There are, and one more beauty is there with this is, now AI can be implemented with the smallest startups also. Now, the lot of opportunities are there under this startup umbrella. So now, not only in the big companies, you can find it. Lot of startups are waiting for the professionals who know the AI and who can come down and start working with them. Only thing is that you have to find that right spot. Okay. Now, coming down to the prerequisites. Now, prerequisites. What is required for you to become an data scientist or deep learning engineer? There are different designations are there. I'm going to tell you. Okay. Now, first thing is we require a basic knowledge of a programming language. we should have a basic knowledge of programming language. Again, I'm not mentioning any of the particular programming language because data science or artificial intelligence or deep learning, or now whenever I'm referring artificial intelligence, guys, I'm referring to all these subcategories: machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. All these things I'm referring. Please don't get confused. So whenever you want to implement this artificial intelligence, okay, you require, okay, at least one programming language, a minimum one programming language you require. Like that is, like we can say it as, you can use the Python. There is something called as Lisp, and there is Julia, and there is Rust, and Java. Like there are many are there, .NET, etc. There are so many languages. You can use any of them. Okay. Now, but the most compatible, on the basis of which I'm saying you will be, if you are not coming from any programming language also, you will be very easily, you can accommodate. On what basis I'm saying is, that is based on the Python. Okay, Python. Now, other programming languages are there. There are some complications are there. Now, again, one more important one, I missed it out over here. That is R language. Okay. Now, these are some of the languages. Now, why I'm giving so priority on to the Python is, one is Python is very, very easy to understand and easy to learn. Now, it's like this. It will be like how you write a sentence in English. Okay, the same way you will write the code. Now, if I start explaining you about the Python a bit, like starting from basic, you will easily, very easily, you can get it. Even though you never touched it, or you are coming from altogether different background, or you have a big gap over the career, you never touched it because of some family reasons or something like that, you can easily, very, very easily, you can accommodate. Now, the second important point is, it is one of the most powerful language existing as of now. It is dominating the market. Okay, and it is, a study says that till at least next two decades, that is nearly up to 2050, this language will be dominating them. 100%, this language will be dominating the market. That's for sure. Okay, so first is, this is like, very easy to learn and understand. Very, very easy and completely free. No need to pay a single pie to anyone. Okay, only for the training purpose. If you are doing it, then you have to pay it. Otherwise, for getting the license or something like that, no. 100% it is free. Second is, like, it is it is very, very easy and very powerful, and it is very much compatible with AI, artificial intelligence. It is very compatible. Okay, now this was developed with the help of, this was developed by a gentleman called as Guido van Rossum with the help of Google. These two people came together and they developed this one as a futuristic language, especially for the AI purpose. Okay, that's why it is so popular in the world of AI. And I can very confidently say that 80% of the applications which are running on AI is developed based on the Python. They're using the Python. Again, it is very, very easy. Now, and we are going to cover the Python. Now, for artificial intelligence, you don't need to learn the entire Python. No, you don't need to learn the entire Python. You require some concepts, and some concepts I'm going to train you and make you understand. And as we move forward, we will be learning the things as we move forward. Now, you may get a doubt that, no, I want the full Python. Yes, you may get a doubt. I want the full Python. Maybe I may need it tomorrow. So here, what we are going to do it is, I'm going to train you on the Python as per our requirement in AI. Okay, because as we are going with a strict time frame, so we will be going with a strict time frame of like 3.5 months or 120 classes, approximately 4.5 months it will go on. 4 months it will go minimum. Okay, and so we are going with very strict. So what we are going to do it is, first I will take it like whatever important things are there, I'm going to give it for us to move forward. And later on, we are going to give it 170 videos of Python. This will be 100% free, end-to-end Python, like basic, core, advanced, and everything will be covered inside this. Now, if you want to make it comfortably, you want to learn them, means you can do it on a slow basis. But initially, I'm going to take the Python classes as per our requirement, and then we will jump into our AI route. And you can go on whenever you have time. You can go on reading this 1 or 2 videos. And if you face any problem, you can come down. I will definitely explain you that concept. Second. Now, second important thing over here is deep learning. Deep learning. Okay. Now, we require some things like NumPy, Pandas, and deep learning over here. I can give it as NumPy, Pandas, and deep learning. Now, these are the prerequisites for us to head towards the generative AI and agentic AI. Okay. Now, again, I'm saying whatever the coding level, we are going to do it in the deep learning. That level of coding, you will not do it in the generative AI and agentic AI, because we are going to use the pre-trained model. Already models which are trained, we are going to get it and we are going to use it. So that's the confidently I'm saying it. It is very, very easy. Whereas coming down to the deep learning, we are going to train the models in CNN and RNN and LSTM, and even the BERT model also we are going to train it. But when it comes to the case of generative AI and agentic AI, we are going to take the existing LLMs, okay, and we are going to use them for us. Now, again, you may get a doubt that what are these models? What are these LLMs? What I'm talking about, I will explain you. Just give me some time, I will explain. Now, these all are the prerequisites. Now, again, if you have any domain knowledge, that would be an added advantage, domain knowledge. Now, this is the reason why I was saying it, like anyone who is coming from a different background are most welcome to get into our AI, world of AI. Why? Means, see, first thing is, this is data oriented. I told you starting itself. Without data, there is nothing. We can't do anything with this. So it is completely data oriented. First step. So if you want to deal with the data, having the knowledge with the data is a big, big plus. And this knowledge in the data is called as domain knowledge. We call it as domain knowledge. Guys, just give me few seconds, few minutes. I'm going to explain, clarify all your doubts, please. Just give me. Okay, domain knowledge. And this knowledge over the time, you will be getting it. You don't need to worry about these things. Again, some people may think that statistics are required over here. Yes, a bit of statistics is required, not in depth for us for generative AI. Now, again, try to stick to the point. We are corely concentrating on the point of generative AI and agentic AI. And our core will be in the deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. We don't need so much of statistics, but we are going to do a bit of statistics as we move forward. Okay. Now, a bit of statistics. I'm going to put it on over here. Okay. Now, these are the things which are required for us to move towards the generative AI and agentic AI. Again, you may get a doubt that, okay, machine learning is not required. No. No, machine learning is not required for us, at least because there are some fundamentals I will directly give you while doing the pandas and NumPy and feature engineering. I will give you some fundamentals which is required for the deep learning, so we can skip the machine learning. Machine learning is not a part of our course. So our course duration will be officially on papers, it will be like 100 days. 100 days too, like you can see it like 3.5 months. 3.5 months is approximately 105 days it will be. But again, try to understand these are not the holidays are not counted. So here we are talking about 100 to 120 classes. Okay, 100 to 120 classes. So that means officially I can say it as minimum. Okay, if you take 5 days a week. Okay, so approximately, like, we will take it a bit more, like 4.5 months it will take it to complete it perfectly with the projects, everything. Okay, each and every concept, whatever we are doing, we are going to do the projects. Now, feature engineering, we are going to do it. We are going to do the projects in ML. ML, even though we will not cover it, but in order to implement the feature engineering, I have to show some implementation, though I will do it. Then, and there will be projects in CNN, that is deep learning, image processing, and there will be projects in your NLP. Okay, and also we will be dealing with the projects in generative AI using the LangChain, using the RAG applications. We are going to do the multiple stuff, like we are going to do the we are going to give the video transcriptions, and we are going to create a project, or we are going to scrape the data from a website, and we are going to give it to our LLM, and we are going to create a project, like multiple projects we are going to do it over here. Okay, now, and again in the agentic AI, we are going to trigger the multiple agents, agentic agents, to perform the complicated task and get the solution for that. Automated, this is nothing but autonomous AI, or autonomous AI they will be calling it as. So because of that, you will be able to do it. Now we will be doing that one also. So at different levels, we are going to do the projects, and all we are going to take the data, and we are going to do it right away. I will write the code over each and every code. I'm going to type it simultaneously right away in the class. It's not that I'm going to get the code and put it on the screen and I will start explaining. No, I will not do that. So sometimes like a single project may take 2 days or 3 days also to implement it in a step-by-step manner, because as we write the code, we are not going to get the code and I'm not going to explain you. So this is the way it is going to go. Okay, now like there are some questions are coming up. So I'm going to first see like Patel is asking like which domain I'm going to explain. So see, it depends. Like we are not going to deal with a particular domain. Like for example, if I'm going to do with the CNN, I'm going to deal with the images. Now images of different sectors. Now sometimes I may take the diseases image, like X-ray images, and sometimes I will go with the object detection over there. Now it depends upon what you are going to do it. Now it is not relevant to the domain. It is the code what we are going to do it. Different domains we will take it. Now when we deal with some of the projects while doing with the feature engineering, I'm going to deal with the financials, and while CNN I may go with the like medical or healthcare domain. And when we go with the NLP, we will deal with the data with a different type over there. So again, it will be kind of e-commerce domain we will be dealing with the when we go with the like NLP kind of stuff. Hope I gave the answer to you. Now, next one, okay, it's a very big one. Could you please share the complete roadmap and syllabus? Yes, I'm going to do it right now, Ankit. I'm going to do it. And may the priority of the gain to the possible knowledge and skills that I can work independently on the company. See, I can assure you one thing, guys. Now, if I'm saying it like 3 months officially, the three and a half months, the organization where I'm working with, like the institution is saying that. But I'm saying very openly right at the starting, it will take at least minimum 120 working classes, not the days, classes. So approximately 4 to 4.5 months we are going to do it. And I'm going to cover each and everything, and I will make you comfortable and perfect with the coding part where you can easily, very, very easily, you can handle the project on your own. Not only that, if in case you are not comfortable with any topics, or because we are humans, because of some emergency, you skip the classes and you hate to go with the videos, and then you want to attend the another batch, you can do that. You are most welcome to do that without paying a single pie. I will allow you to attend my batch, not the other batches. My batch, at least 2 more classes, that's for sure. So you pay it 1 and take it 3. I will give you the permission. I don't know, like administrators, if they say no, it also, I'm promising I will give it. Now, some students who are very new, and they may be facing some problem in getting the job right away immediately, but as the days pass, they may lose the concept, so they can attend the next class, nothing wrong. Or you can go through the videos. Or the people who are working on generative AI or agentic AI, they want to coordinate with me over the support. Yeah, I can give you some suggestion. Please don't expect me to write the entire code and give it to you. I will definitely give you the solution on that. That's for sure. 100% I can do that. Okay, guys, please stop writing on the screen. Okay, now next question is, what if we don't know deep learning? It's yes, deep learning, I will take care of that. So you don't need to do anything. You come and sit in the class, Pooja, I will take care of this. And not only that, I'm going to make you perfect. That's what I'm giving you. Okay. And next one is, I'm a Java developer. Do I need to know the prerequisites before joining it? No need to learn and come down. So show one. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. See, no need to do it. As we move forward, you will get it. Just you are coming from a very strong language background, that is Java. See, it is Python. All the languages will be having a similar kind of stuff with a little bit syntax difference. That is what it is. And again, the Python is very, very easy. So you are coming from the very core strong language, that is Java. So you can play with it. It's like a cakewalk for you. So no need to do any sit and learn the prerequisite and come down. As we move forward on the fly, if you can spend 1 hour just going through the core syntax, that's enough. Okay. Now, due to UK shift, can we get recording sessions if we miss the classes? Of course, daily basis, you are going to get the recording sessions, and you are going to get the notes as well. Your notes will be something like this, guys. Okay. I will just close down. Here you can see it. This is like on the monthly basis, we have it. You can take any of them here. April month, May, June, July. August, you will get it on the daily basis like this. Notes, everything. Okay. And as I was saying it, like implementation of this, like the notes will be something like this. Each and every case. Now, this is a live notes I'm showing you. Live notes I'm giving it. So these notes will be given to you on the daily basis. You are going to get it. And also you are going to get the recordings on the daily basis. And one more thing, I want to make a note over here. This notes will be pretty much like a it will be available. You can download it, you can take it, and you can go forward. But the recordings after completion of the course, like our course maybe 4 months, after completion of the course, it will be available for 6 to 8 months, these recordings with you. Okay. And you can go through that. And again, I'm saying it, if you wanted the other class, you can attend the other class, but that class recordings, you may not get it. I will give you the notes, but only this class recordings, you will be getting it, whichever one you enroll. And these recordings will be there for you for next 6 to 8 months, not more than that. Okay. Now let's take the next one. Okay, 1 second. Kind of audio and video. Yes. How many months will the course be? The course will be, as I was saying it, like it will be like 120 classes. Now you can guess it, like 4.5 months it will be done. Now again, I'm saying it's officially 5 days. I may request you to come down on Saturday. Again, it's up to you. If you come down, then we can cover the extra concepts and we can have the continuity. We will lose only Sunday and we will have that continuity. Then we can finish it off a bit early, not before 4 months. 4 months will be the minimum time we can finish it off. Okay. Anil Pratap, course content I'm going to explain you. Like regarding the job, I think that if you learn this one and whatever I'm teaching you now, if you are perfect with that, 100% you will should get a job. Okay, and if I will give you the some interview questions as well once we are going through the content. Okay, one concept is completed, I'm going to give you some interview questions. Well, Python and Java as well, and like where is that? Ranveer, Python will be covered as I said you. We are going to do the core concepts of the Python, like maybe 10 days we will finish it off whatever is required, and then we will jump into NumPy pandas and move forward. And the complete course like Python videos will be provided for you. You can enjoy and you can learn it. If you have any queries, you can complete it. You can come down to me, I will help you out. Yes, we will provide you the certificate behalf of the DurgaSoft. But now I don't know like what do you mean by certification. Like if you want to go with external certification, you can go with it. From our institution, you will be getting a course completion certification. Okay. How many months? Anil Pratap, Ranveer, we finished. Can we get notes? Yes, you can get the notes now. I don't know, like once you enroll, now a daily basis you will get the notes. I'm confused with the question, but these notes, whatever we are talking, this you will be getting it once you enroll it after this 4 days of the demo. Now 4 days of the demo, it will not be the same things will be repeated, guys. We will move forward one after the other. We will see the like first day one concept, second day other concept, third day other concept, fourth day 4 days there will be demo. After that we will get into our live classes. The link will be changed. You have to enroll before these 4 days and then we will move forward. Okay. How much work? sorry, how much work will the course outside of the class? I don't know, like Joshua. I'm not clear about that question, but what I understood is how much practice you have to do it. So daily, 2 to 3 hours, if you can do it, that's more than enough. Okay. Will you use the Java with AI and AI with Python? I will be using it. AI with Python. This, I don't know, like Vivo V204, the name. I'm sorry for that. Janmajaya, are you going to make models from the scratch or will get the knowledge? Will you also cover the open source models on the cloud? See, one thing I will let you know. See, when it comes to the case of deep learning, okay, deep learning, LSTM, RNN, CNN, I will create the models right away in front of you. We are going to do it from the scratch. Now, when you are asking the models about generative AI, not only me, no one can do that, because generating generative AI models, what we call it as LLMs, to train that, we like now ChatGPT model is there, okay, GPT. They say that they cost it for each time training like 4 to 6 million. I don't think so. I'm so rich to do that. So I'm going to explain the model from the scratch. We are going to use the OpenAI models. We are going, I'm says closed proprietary models like closed source models, and we are going to get the models like Llama models from Hugging Face and Grok, and I'm going to use that. Both I'm going to do it so that you are clear with it. And I will get you the end-to-end project. End-to-end project, I will be do it right away in front of you. And we are going to cover all these things, MCP, A2E, ACP, all these things will be covered very clear. These are very easy, including the RAG, all these things will be covered over here. Okay. Now, hope I covered all your questions over there. Now, Joshua, how many hours a day? You want the class, or you want the how many days you want to practice? How many hours? So as I told you, if you want to practice 2 hours is more than enough. The class duration will be 1 to 1.5 hours, not more than that. Please share the complete course roadmap along with the content you have. Sure, I will share you. I'm going to cover them also. Class timings will be 9:30 to 10:30, or we may extend to the 11 o'clock. Okay. Now, is this course dedicatedly for the experienced professionals or the freshers? See, both. When I'm talking about the experience also, when they come to the AI, they will be new to this one itself. The both are considered of the freshers towards the AI. Okay. And as I said it, NLP, RNN, transformers, LSTM, prompt engineering, LangChain, Olama, all these will be covered. Okay, thanks for putting on. RAG setting, all these things will be covered, not to worry about. Everything will be covered. Okay, and even detailedly, I'm going to cover. You missed out the land graph, you missed out the crew, all these things will be covered. Okay. No, I'm giving the solution. I'm not using the Java. I'm not a Java guy. I'm using the Python over here. G1. I'm talking about G1. I'm not a Java guy. I'm using the Python over here to do it, and you can very easily implement it. It's not a big deal. As I was saying it, like Praveen, you need a very limited Python. Now, whatever I teach you in 10 days, that is more than enough for you to go forward in our deep artificial intelligence, deep learning. And once you enter into that, automatically you will get it into that. Okay. And See, you will be getting a complete 170 videos. It's up to you that how much you want to learn from it. Whatever is required, I'm going to train you. If you want to go with detailed classes of 1 month, 2 months, 170 videos will be there. You can, it's up to you how you want to learn. I'm talking about Praveen over here. Easily 3 to 4 years, you can put it on. Hari Charan, you can show it 3 years max, because generative AI came in the market from 3 years back. And if you want to put it something else, then you have to put it deep learning. You can easily put down the deep learning. Now, whatever I'm giving it in the NLP, you can easily put down like 2 years in the NLP and 3 years in the generative AI, and the 2 years in generative, latest 1 year in the agentic AI. I don't know like what is your gap, but 3 years only we can put it in the generative AI, because since 3 years only the generative AI is in the market. Okay. I don't know, Murali, you are asking like, want me to help you on certification, means like external certification from the outside you're talking about, then this is not, and I'm going to train you very detailedly, where you can easily understand all the questions and you can crack it, the certification, that I can say it. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you're most welcome. You can come down. I will try to help you out in all possible ways in clarifying the doubts, not the proxies kind of stuff. Classes on weekends also, what are the class? See, it will be on the everyday 9:30 to 10:30 class timings. Prasanna, I'm talking about. Talari Prasanna. 1 hour to 1.5 hour, the class duration will be 9:30 to 11 o'clock max. 10:45 to 11 o'clock we will be having it. And it is a 5 days a week officially. And 6th day, I may call you on the request. If you are available, I may request you to come down so that we can take the class. Okay, only 5 days officially. Okay. Classes Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour at max. No, we may extend it like 1 to 1.5 hours in between that, based on the topic. So if the topic is covering at exactly 1 hour 10 minutes, then I will stop it. No, topic is taking at 1.5 hours, then I will extend the class till 1.5 hours. I'm ready to take like 2 hours or 2.5 hours also, but usually the most of you who are preferring this, they will be coming down from the work, and I don't want to overload them, so I'm giving in a small chunks. That's why. That's the reason why I was asking it like, if you come down on the Saturday night, then we can have it. Now, if you want on the Saturday on a particular time in the evening, you may have it somewhere to go. You want me to take it in the morning, then I'm open. No problem about that. Okay. Now, Srinivas Rao, what are the use cases or the projects we do as a part of this course? See, as I was saying it, like each and every, now I'm not going to stick to the same project again and repeating it. No, it's not like that. Every time we will be taking a new project, challenging one, and we are going to do it. So for example, if you are going with the initial feature engineering, then we will go with the like credit card fraud detection or loan approval or very big data sets. We will do it. As we get into the CNN, we will deal with image classification, disease detection, or emotion detection kind of stuff. And when we go into the NLP, we will see the projects like where we can do the news classification, next word prediction, and unique projects over there. And when we come to the generative AI, we will use the RAG applications, and we are going to train our LLM, like LLM with a particular long lengthy video or spun of that. I'm getting the transcript and I'm getting the long lengthy video, and I will give it the RAG applications, the input, whatever it is, the document, and then we will do the splitting, the vector database and all those things, and we will implement over there. The same thing we will do it with our agentic AI. We are going to give a particular task, and where the agents will be intelligently performing the things. They will use the relevant tools and they will do the stuff. This is how our projects will be going on. Okay, each concept we will do at least 2 projects over there. I'm a fresher, passed out, having the basic knowledge of Python and Java. I'm learning Java full stack and or Sai Chand I'm talking, or generative, which course would help me. Fresher. Now crack the job. Now I will say that better to go with the next gen technology. If you are learning the Java, if you are learning the Python, if you are learning something else, see, all these applications are ultimately at the end of the day, they have to be powered with AI. Without AI, you will not see a single application in the future. So this is the most important technology. So whatever you are learning, that's irrespective of that, you have to use the AI. Even the testers also, they will be testing it with the AI based applications. For them also, this will be very, very useful. Okay. Now, how many years of fake experience I can put after this? As I told you, we in generative AI, we can put it maximum 3. If you want to put it something else, then you have to break up the experience. Deep learning, you can go with 2 to 3 years, and the generative AI 2 years, agentic 1 year, something like that. See, that I will explain you these roles. See, the roles will be different. You will be eligible for. You can become a deep learning engineer, or you can become an NLP expert, or a CNN professional, or you can go with generative AI professional with the RAG applications, or you can become an agentic AI expert. You can use it all this, and you can use the data science professional also based on your skills. These are the different courses. I'm going to explain this one as we move forward, Sharath. I'm going to give you a detailed explanation over this different designations. Yes, you can very well switch Darsh, I think so. Here, you can very well switch your career into generative AI. As I told you, now you are in the testing, you can very well justify that, you have been testing on the AI powered systems, and you got an opportunity and you moved on to a generative AI application, developing of the generative AI applications, and you can start your career from there on. Already you are having all your documents readily available, then you can easily, very, very easily, you can switch it. It's not a problem at all. Now, on the course dedicated for the experienced professional or specialist too, I was concentrating on TL, NLP, RNN, transformers, LLM. See, this course is, as I told you, this is framed up for the both. It's not the only Ragish Shetty. This is not for the freshers or experienced. If you are a fresher or an experienced, the course, the content, if you want to keep it agentic AI experience, you can't keep it more than 1 year. Or if you want to keep it generative AI, you can't keep it 3 years, not more than that. So if you want to go with as a fresher, you are most welcome, because most of the startups are waiting for the freshers with this knowledge. Or if you are experienced, you have to frame up your experience a bit, and then you have to go into the field of AI. Then there will be a slight twist, you have to do it. I will explain you over this demo classes. I will tell you how you have to do it. There is no any fast track batch. See, unfortunately, I don't have any Ravindra. I don't have any fast track batch over this, because that will mess up the things. I don't want to do it that. So please give us that few months time, then you will become an expert. Because doing the fast track, we'll be losing a lot of concepts, and ultimately we will land up in nowhere after this. I believe that maybe you are good enough to understand, but I feel it, and I don't have any fast track batch as of. Joshua. Now I have issues with some trainers moving to, no, I'm not going to go. I gave an answer to Ravindra. I'm not going to take the fast track batches. I'm giving you minimum 4 months, then it will take minimum 4 months. If you like it, if you don't like it, I will go with my own pace with the slowly where you can get the concepts. Okay. And Abhishek, after completion of this course, can I face the interview for the art? Yes, very comfortably you will be able to face it. You will be very, very confident. I can say it one thing, guys. After completion of this course is purely based on the realistic scenarios. That's the reason why I'm not getting the code and showing you. I'm writing the code right away in front of you with the realistic things, and I will tell you how you can frame up that or change that project and put it in your resume also. And you will be easily, very, very easily, you can compete with a 3 years old, the 3 years real-time guy after completion of this course. Real-time guy, you will be far better than him. I can guarantee that. Okay. Anant can take Python in other time, so we can continue AI in the main class. People can see you. Yeah, that's fine. I think that Anand, you are from a Python background, but some people, I know that in 10 days, it will not make much difference. I'm not going to boost them, but psychologically, they will have a very strong boosting that they will be, they know Python. So I have to do that 10 days. I have to do that. There's no other option. Only I'm asking 10 days. Any morning timing works for me as my shift is. Sorry, Akshaya, currently I'm not having any morning time batch. One batch is running currently. We are already in the deep learning. So at 7 to 8:30 it is. But unfortunately, in near past, I don't have any near future. I don't have any batches starting in the morning as of now. I will keep you posted if you want it, or if any batch starts, you can shift it after enrolling for this. Yes, Jeevan, you have to put some experience in order to match your salary, and you can do that very easily. You can put it on. It's not a big deal. What are the tools and frameworks you will be teach during the class? Okay, I will give you the complete course content, Patel. I will let you know what are the frameworks and what are the things we are going to do it. Just give me a minute. I will wait. Okay. Here, how many classes are we going to discuss on Python, Pandas? See, Python 10 classes, NumPy, Pandas, DL. See, in a month time, you will be done with your NumPy, Pandas, and deep learning. We will be there in the deep learning. Right away, after 1 month, you will be there in the deep learning. Deep learning will take 1 month, and generative AI 1 month, and agentic AI 1 month. Okay. How to, I'm talking about. Okay. Now, Arjun Ji. I was giving the answer to the Arjun Ji. And how do you start? I mean, starting from which topic? From Python. I will start from Python. Will you teach the deployment part? Should we learn a big data for this? No, there's no need to learn your big data part for this, for data ingestion. No need to do that. We can directly get the data. Again, it depends upon your source of the data. No need for this. We can get the data directly into this. Coming down to the deployment part, I will give you the end-to-end implementation of this thing, not the deployment, because deployment comes under the, it's a cloud deployment. I will give you an overview, but I will not do it the entire deployment of using AWS or Azure. I will give you the complete understanding of that, because usually the deployment will be taken care by the DevOps or the cloud engineers. With the help of that, you can do it. And the front end part, also, this requires the front end part. The front end part will be taken care by the front end developers. The deployment will be taken care by the, usually the cloud engineers will be there. They will be taking care. You can combine with them and you can do it. But I will give you an overview about how the deployment goes on there. Okay, this is for the Vivek. And no, this will not cover the ML ops. Which time zone classes are going? Indian time zone. Indian time zone, that is at 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 or 11 p.m. night. Lab manuals provided. Naveen, I didn't get your question. Lab manuals in a sense, like I didn't get it. You are asking some assignments, or you are asking, I didn't get it. What do you mean by lab? Yeah, assignments will be there if you are asking. What is the cost? Cost will be, you can coordinate with the, for the cost, you can coordinate with the admin people. They are the right person. I think that they gave a number to you starting. You can coordinate with them. Okay, I will get you that number so that it is easy for you. This one I was talking about. This one I was talking about. Please coordinate with them, and they will be the right persons to. Okay. I think I lost somewhere. Okay, let me see that. What's the cost? Yeah. Or if what kind of job roles this course is for? Data scientist, data analyst, ML engineer, not the data analyst, not the data analyst. Remove the data analyst. You will be eligible for the data scientist, AI engineer, ML engineer, no DL engineer, or as I told you, NLP expert or CNN professional or generative AI professional or agentic AI related jobs. You are eligible for that. Okay. Experience in the Java background, develop the profile. What role I can target post completely? I think that you must be dealing with a project manager, or I'm talking about Shanmugan, Satish. You are having 10 plus years experience, then you must be already knowing a project manager role or team leader role. You must have done it, so you must be well aware of the entire implementation process. So just add the AI to that and you will become an AI related project manager or AI related team lead. You can use that roles. Okay, only thing what you have to do it is keep your 7 years experience as it is, and you can say that from past 3 years I've been working on the AI related, like generative AI, deep learning, and agentic AI. Obviously, your role will be similar to that. Now you must be doing till 7 years, you must be doing a team lead. Then your role will be a team lead with AI. Then you can put on the same thing over there, senior professional or senior data analyst, or you can put it as a team lead. Okay, just add it like that. Since AI have become essential in today's industry, secure the job. Is it okay if I can AI skills? Definitely, it will give you a big advantage. I don't know, you didn't mention your experience. I'm talking about this gentleman. Who is this? Pooja Sharma. Like you didn't mention your experience. That's what I'm saying it. See, if you are like whoever is having 10 plus years experience or 7, 8 years experience, see how you have to go with is you remove the recent 5 years or recent 3 years. Now you are coming as a team lead. Then suddenly just imagine a realistic scenario. You are a Java developer. Now you are having 7 years experience. Immediately you got a project in your company on the AI based. Now they said that you learn the AI and come down and take the job. Now you are a team lead. And what will be the role? You will not be a junior developer, right? You will be acting like a team lead only. But only thing is that the technology will be changed. You will be working on the generative AI. Of course, you may require to put down some extra efforts to come down to guiding the team members, but your confidence level will be same because you are a team lead. You're corely, you are a team lead or you are a project manager. Only thing is that you're patching up some extra things and you're doing it. So don't get confused over there. Okay. So if you are putting down some 3 years experience, removing recent 3 years, you can search for a job as a data scientist or senior data scientist or team lead related data scientist. Okay. Now, see. Okay. As there is any online certification on the generative AI, which there are many are there. Generative AI, there are many certifications are there. I will give you the list of certifications once we are into this. I will give you and I will let you know how you can do that. Which are, I'm talking about Abhishek answer I gave it. The Patel, which are the tools, frameworks you will cover. Patel, I said you right. I'm going to cover these things. I will let you know in the course content. There will be a complete course content will be there. I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to give you the complete course. Like we are going to deal with the NumPy, pandas. We are going to go with the TensorFlow, LangChain, LangGraph, Crew AI, and we are going to go with like these. All are the different libraries and frameworks, Keras. All these things we are going to cover it. There are heavy list is there. I'm going to give you a list. Just give me a minute and okay, we are already too late. What will be the final outcome or the deliverables at the end of the course? I mean, what we are able to develop, or you can, who is Arjun? You will be able to develop an AI application. Okay, you will be able to develop an AI application with the generative AI and you can do it. Anand Kumar, class should be daily except Sunday. Yes, on Saturday I will request you people, if you can come down, I will take it. Saturday will be an optional, but Sunday is an holiday. Okay, question system inside in the embedded systems. I didn't get your question. I'm from a QA engineer. As I told you, like, see, very clear. If you are an embedded system guy, if you want to test an embedded system, you should understand the workflow of the embedded system. The same way, when an application is developed on AI based, so you have to know the AI. What is the AI? You have to know the working mechanism of AI so that you can write the test cases to analyze the things and you can do the testing on the applications, AI related applications. So that is a way you can frame up your career in AI when you are coming from the QA background. Which companies are hiring on generative AI base? as of now. See, there are so many companies are there, Sharath. Like almost all big companies are hiring in the generative AI with RAG, agentic AI with RAG. RAG is a very most happening thing as of now. So all the big companies are hiring it. Is there any plans to schedule a morning batch? So that will take some time, Kishan or Krishna Prasad. Okay, it will take some time, I think. So it will be like the batch which is going on, it has to be finished in 1.5 months. After that, we may plan it a batch over there. Yes, you can write it Subramanyam, or if I'm not Subramanyam, yeah, I'm talking Shastri. Yes, you can write the AI code. If you finish your Python, then that should be more than enough. You have a LinkedIn? No, I don't have a LinkedIn profile as of now. Project will be, you will not find anywhere in any of the social media sites except then the WhatsApp, if you consider that as an because there is a employment confidentiality act I'm going on with. I can't have any of my profiles on the project. Will be in which domain. So I explained you, Patel, like what are the different domains. AWS networking and I don't. Can you also provide machine learning videos? No, Devendra, no, machine learning will not be given over here. We will not cover, but yeah, machine learning coding wise, I will show you how it will be. That videos will be provided, but the concepts of the algorithms, we are not going to have it. Do we get the free Python videos as soon as we enroll? Yes, you will get all the 170 videos, Priya, once you enroll it. Yes, you can do it and you can ask the questions. Even I will also help you all. Is there any full day course on weekends? No, Ravindra, as of now, I don't have it anything. LLM ops will be covered. No, Ragi Shetty, no, LLM ops is not covered over here. And I have a concern, kindly contact. Okay, now are you not covering? No, machine learning concepts are not required, Naresh, on this. If we are going to put on the machine learning concepts, it will go over 6 months. So the machine learning concepts are not required. Our course is majorly on generative AI. If anything, that machine learning patch, if you wanted, if tomorrow I'm taking any machine learning batch, I will welcome you. You can join in that. Okay, and I gave the answer to the Naresh. I mean to say, Pooja Sharma, till when will have to access the recording? After the class, after the completion of the course, from there, 8 months, you will have the access to them. I have, yes, in the cloud operation, what designation will land in after? Sir, if you are working, Naveen, if you are working with the cloud, you must be well aware that the cloud is already integrated with the pre-trained models nowadays, like you are talking about AWS, like GCP and all these things, Azure, all these are integrated with the AI models. So once you complete the course, you will see the models over there, pre-trained models, but this you will understand how the internal mechanism goes and you can do the necessary pre-training and fine-tuning inside that. Okay. Now, next one is Prakash. Banu Prakash. I joined late. What is the curriculum about the course? I'm going to share you the curriculum about the course because it's already too late. I could not explain you. I will explain the course curriculum tomorrow very detailedly, one after the other. And I'm talking about the Prakash Devara. And course, are we using the Azure Foundry service? No, none of them. This will be purely on the generative AI and agentic AI. We are not going to use any of the cloud services over here. So what designation to match for this course? I gave it like there will be data scientist, that is Sushovan. I told you like there are different designations I gave it. The data scientist, ML, not ML engineer, DL engineer, and you can go with like CNN expert and NLP expert, and you can go with generative AI professional or agentic AI professional. You can go with that. Share the detailed course details. I will share this course details tomorrow. Once you are here, I will explain the course details, and we will, because already it is almost 10:11, sorry. If I start giving it, at least it may take like half an hour time. The people will be disappointed. So let's start once we are there. We will start tomorrow, and I will explain you the course content. Can you give drive link? Meanwhile, we can check our course content. So I will, I don't have it in the drive link. Anant Kumar, I will share it with the, our, what do you call, admin people. They will share you with you. After the class, I will share you. Okay? What designation to match for the course? As I explained you, Sushovan just now, how many sessions will be an agentic? It will be a minimum 30 sessions on agentic. Okay. Now, this is the end of all your sessions for course content, guys. So what I can do it is, see, this is the course curriculum. Now, who are all there? I'm going to give you. Now I have it already. Yes, I'm sure about that. Why you're getting that doubt? You are 100% sure that you can come into the generative AI without any problem. To show one, I'm talking about. That's for sure. You can take it. Okay. Okay, let me show you the course curriculum over here. Here, guys. Now, actually, I was supposed to, I'm taking this, I'm copying this. This is the complete course curriculum, what we are going to cover it. Now, who all are there? I'm just remaining all, like we can deal with it. Okay, I'm putting down over here. Now, this is what it is. So we will start with our as I was saying it, like first we will start with the roadmap. Now that will be from tomorrow. We will start it, and this demo session will be for 4 days. That is, remaining 3 days are there, where I will give you a complete roadmap and theory, completely understanding what we are going to do it, how we are going to do it. And then we will do this 10 days classes. And once we are done, we will jump into the NumPy, Pandas, feature engineering. Guys who are asking questions, just wait for a few minutes. Feature engineering, where we will combine the statistics and Pandas, as I told you, and the complete ML implementation coding. I'm talking about coding. Now, I'm not going to give you, I will not have the time to give you the complete each and every algorithm, but here we are going to give you the complete coding. You will become perfect with the coding. Next one is over here. Okay. Now here we can say it as deep learning we will start with. Usually deep learning will have the two concepts, that is computer vision and NLP. So this is the computer vision we are talking about. The perceptron, activation function, TensorFlow, Keras, and we are going to go with functional model, ANN, optimizers, forward propagation, backward propagation, image processing, CNN, max pooling, and our dropout layer batch. This is the first part of your deep learning. Okay, and then we will jump into this one. This is the second part, which is the foundation for your generative AI. This is the foundation part here. That is like we are going to learn the deep learning, natural language processing, and NLP pipeline, text acquisition, that is data acquisition. I'm talking about text pre-processing, text normalization. These all are pre-processing steps. These all are pre-processing steps, what we are doing it over here. And these all are embeddings, what we are going to perform the embeddings over here. And these are pre-processing, these all are embeddings. And then we will have the RNN, LSTM, and GRU over here. GRU is, you can remove the GRU. These two are very important for us. Okay. And here, generative AI. After this, we will jump into generative AI. We will see the sequential model, seek-to-seek models. And this is sequential data. What is a sequential data? Seek-to-seek models and encoder-decoder architecture, attention mechanism, and self-attention. These all you can say that prerequisites. Prerequisites for your transformer. And these all are prerequisites. You can take it. And after this, we will jump into the transformer. In the transformer, we are going to see the transformer architecture very detailedly. And once we are done with the transformer architecture, we are going to get into the language models, and we will get into the small language models, and we will see the large language models, types of LLMs, BERT model, GPT, and ChatGPT, Gemini, and LangChain, different types of chains, agents, Llama, Olama, RAG, LandGraph, and here we will be having the CRU and all those things. And here there is something called as Grok also. Now this is the agentic AI. Agentic AI with the different agents, we are going to see it. Agentic AI building blocks, agentic AI architecture and types, perceptron module, and action module, learning module, collaboration module, and all these are regarding the agentic AI. Complete. Okay, so this is about our the basic stuff, how we started. And this is a way which will go with this too. It will take 1 month. It is 1 month. That is deep learning, 1 month. And this generative AI, it will take 1 month. And agentic AI, it will take 1 month, including the project. Okay. Now this I will pass it on to the admin people. These admin people will be shared it with you. I think that your official email IDs are there. I think that you must have given it while enrolling it. They will send it, this course curriculum, to all the people. That's for sure. Okay. Now I will repeat this one once again. Tomorrow, in a step-by-step manner, I will explain you detailedly the course curriculum, because some are very keen to know about the course. That's why I gave it this one, which is I will explain it once again tomorrow detailedly. Again, there are some questions are there over here. How many sessions for agentic AI? No need any prerequisites. No, Sushovan, if you are from a Java background, no need of any prerequisites. Just come down and I will take care of that. Can you please put it in chat? Okay, that's a good idea. I can put it in the chat, but I'm not sure whether this will come down on the chat. Yeah, it's there. You can take it. I hope that I'm putting down over the chat and you can. Okay, and how much Python you going to teach? That how much would be sufficient, right? No need to Watch the 170 videos. See, I'm going to teach it whatever required in 10 days. That will be more than enough. And if something is required, we are going to learn it in the future. Okay, that's what, as we move forward, I will add you the continuous learning curve will be there over the Python. Now, Praveen, share this demo link so I can share with friends. Okay, just let me give you the demo link, Praveen. Just a minute. This is the demo link. I have it. Sorry that you are not having. This is for the Praveen who requested for the demo link. So, and in this course, have you covered the topics such as prompt engineer and LLMs? Ravinder, without that, without LLM, there is no course. And prompt engineer is covered inside this. Okay, because the prompt is a very important, we will cover the prompt engineering inside this. You can see that the prompt engineer will be there in this. Sure about that. If you have doubt, I can show you the notes also over here about the prompt engineering. Here, not 7 a.m. This is 7 p.m. Okay, 1 second. Here is the prompt engineer. This is the entire course of the prompt engineering. Okay, just let me take this to the other side. Yeah, this is a prompt engineering. Now you can look over here, the scroller. See this. This is all is prompt engineering. It is kind of like at least 5 to 10 pages. It will be there. Sage. Please, Hinduja, please coordinate with the admin people. They will provide you the link for this demo class. All the 4 classes, you will be getting it, the demo. And again, actual roadmap, we didn't start it, guys. Tomorrow, we will start our actual roadmap. I will explain you the course curriculum, what is what. And then we will jump into the each and every concept. What is ML? What is DL? What is AI? What is agentic AI? What is generative AI? What is the difference between them? And then we will get in detailedly into that. Okay. And we will also see the life cycle of that. Okay, guys. So any more questions, please? I'm really sorry I could not cover up the much concept because I wanted to give the answers to all your questions. So tomorrow we will start it in a systematically and we will move forward, and there will be 4 days demo will be there, and all these 4 days there won't be any like repeated class. It will be a systematic classes you will be going on, and right away after the end of the last demo you will be having a crystal clear view of everything what is there of AI, ML, and DL. Okay, and generative AI. Everything you will be there. After that, you can decide it whether you want to go forward or not, and you can pay it and you can enroll it. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. And I'm ending up over here. Thanks a lot, Haricharan. And I gave my number at the starting only. Here is my number. 1 second, I will show you my number. This is my number. But if you call, maybe if I'm in the class, I may not pick up. Please drop a message, WhatsApp message. I will try to call back to you or respond to the message. Okay. Arif, you can coordinate with the admin people. They will provide you the demo session recording over here. Sushma, as of now, no, Sushma. If it is possible, you join it. Once we start in the morning, you can shift. I will start it in next 1 month or so, and you can join in the morning batch. Okay. As of now, we don't have any plans to start the morning batch. At least it will take 1 more month. Okay, guys, I'm ending up the session. Thank you very much. Let's meet tomorrow to continue with the things. Thank you very much, guys.